Hey everyone, today I just want to go over a very important inspection that you should be doing on your car. You should just open the hood and take a look around, and what you're looking for is evidence of rodents because they can cause a lot of damage. They can make a nest, they can chew your wiring, and they can leave debris in your engine that can cause a problem. Let's take a look at this car right here. I have an X3 behind me. We're going to just take a look for some evidence of rodents and see if we can find anything. You know, I don't have mice, but they find their way into your car, and you're looking for any kind of weird things like this right here. That's actually a little mouse poop right there. And sometimes they'll sit on the towers and you'll find acorns. You'll see like small bits of debris, or also check the cover on the hood because you'll see chewed marks. This one does not have any chewed marks, but they like to chew the ignition harness. So let's take a look under here, see if we can find any evidence. This is an N55 on a X3, and I'm going to be replacing the valve cover on it. But before I replace the valve cover, you want to make sure that everything is clean. And you can see actually right here, there's some chewed debris. So I wonder if I flip this over, oh yeah, look. All right, here's our evidence of rodents. So they chewed the foam cover on the vanity cover, and there's some other debris in here too, some chewed nuts and whatnot. So you're doing spark plugs or any kind of repair, and you have the engine open, there's a chance debris could fall in and you might not see it, and if that happened you could cause catastrophic damage. Plus, if you have this intake pipe off, debris can get down into the turbo right through this air duct and damage your turbocharger. So when you check for rodents, you're going to want to clean this up before you do any repairs. How do you get rid of the rodents? Well, the best thing to do is trap them in the garage. I've heard of people using mothballs and pantyhose, and they tie them in different spots. That kind of works. I've seen it not work 100%. You can buy some products that you can spray coat, especially like the harness right here. You can spritz it on, and it's like a pepper. So if they do chew on it, actually, right, there's a little chewage right there on that wire. Now that I have that off, yep. So they nibbled on that. So if they nibbled on that and you had it sprayed with the pepper spray, they would burn their mouths and not want to chew on it again. And that's just the idea behind it. I know they have some rodent deterrents that you can wire in on your 12-volt system, and it just plugs in on the side, and it's supposed to emit a sound that they don't like. I don't know how well that works. And your best bet is to just trap in your residence, in your garage, or periodically inspect to make sure that they can't make a nest to cause damage. Don't leave bird seed and dog food or cat food where they can get it, because they'll just pack your vehicle full of food. I've actually seen an exhaust full of dog food that we had to shake out once, and it was packed. And the complaint was, a burning smell from the exhaust. It was just packed full of dog food. So how do I clean this out? And I'm going to be doing the valve cover. I don't want to open anything up, because as I'm cleaning this out, I could introduce the debris into the intake system. I don't want to do that. So I'm going to leave everything attached, and I'm going to use a blowgun, and I'm going to blow this out as best as I can. And also, when I'm doing the repair, keep a very careful eye on everything and make sure everything is covered so no debris can get into the engine. So let me blow that out and I'll show you what that looks like. So make sure you have safety glasses on, and I would just pick up a small compressor at Harbor Freight or whatever and just use a blowgun. Whoa! You can see all that debris in there. There's a lot of stuff because this is a deep well. So I'm going to go ahead and blow all this crap out and make sure that everything's nice and clean for when I do the repair. But again, I just wanted to make sure that you knew to watch for rodents that can get into the engine compartment and hopefully not into the car. I've seen them living in cars, and they can just destroy a car with pee, feces, chewing through everything up, chewing the harness. I've seen body harnesses that need to be replaced. So definitely something to keep an eye on. And if there's any chance that you have rodents in your garage where you keep your car, make sure you don't leave your windows open. I have seen them chew through the microfilter housing, so there's still ways for them to get into the car. So your best way is to just trap and eliminate them from inside the garage. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my Ask the Car Experts YouTube channel. Please give this video a thumbs up, which really helps. And in the near future, I'm going to be looking at a top-down scan tool, and I'll be doing a review on that, and then I'm going to be doing that as a giveaway. It'll be one of the first giveaways, and hopefully many more to come. So I'm looking forward to reviewing that. All right, guys, I'll talk to you later.